Hey guys, long time no see. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to give you guys a makeup look. That is what you guys voted for on the community tab of my YouTube channel, and I really do appreciate those who voted. It really gives me an idea of what I need to put out, things that you guys want to see. I really appreciate it, and I'll probably do another one after this video goes up just so I can keep getting an idea of what you guys want to see. I did this makeup look, and this is one of Maddie Zeigler's campaign makeup looks that she did for her Morphe collaboration, and I did put my own little spin on it. I put a little wing liner on it just to make it my own, and also so you guys can see what these colors look like on a girl of color. They are absolutely beautiful, and I love the palette. I actually went into Ulta the other day just to look for something for my hair, not really expecting to buy makeup, mostly because during this time, who is really concerned about buying makeup these days? So I went in there to look for something for my hair, and I saw this makeup palette. This is the makeup palette right here. I feel like the colors in this palette really represent spring and summer very well. It has a lot of neutrals as well as a lot of pops of color, so you could do a full vibrant makeup look, or you could do a simple eyeshadow look like for daytime or something like that. So these are the colors, and they're so beautiful. I just had to pick it up and do this makeup look for you guys. So if you would like to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching. So first I'm going to start off with the NYX eyeshadow base. This is the eyeshadow base in white, and I am using a white base just so the eyeshadow can be extra vibrant and intense when I apply it. The first color I'm going to go into is Me 3, and I'm going to apply that in my crease. This is going to act as my transition color, especially because it is close to my skin tone color, so it will blend perfectly with the other colors. Next, I'm going to go into the color Mint, and I'm going to apply that in the inner corner of my eye. You might want to apply this with a synthetic brush, one that will pat the color on, just so the color can come out more vibrant than it did with a blending brush. Then I'm going to go in with the color 5, and I'm going to apply that right next to that mint shade and just blend the two colors together where they meet. Now I'm going to take She Insist, and I'm going to just repeat that step and just apply it next to the blue and blend the blue with the purple. Then the last color I'm going to go in with is Crushed, and I'm going to apply that in the crease with a crease brush. And I'm going to make sure that that is very blended on the outer corner, kind of like in a cat eye or wing shape. I'm going to just drag that out. Then I'm going to take the color God Mom and apply that in the inner corner, almost over the mint color. It looks like she has some shimmer in her inner corner, so I'm just going to apply that, as well as apply it to the highest point of my brow bone. So this step is optional. This is the step that you do not really need to take if you're wanting this makeup look to be as close as the makeup look that she did for her campaign. But this is the NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner in the color Vivid Escape. It's a beautiful lime green eyeliner. Then I'm just going to take some concealer and clean up my wing, make sure it's nice and sharp, as well as cover up the rest of the eyeshadow that kind of got all over the place. I did apply that color messily, so I am just going to clean that section up. So now I'm just going to apply some mascara and apply my false lashes. The lashes I am using are by Miss Express Lash, and I get them from my local beauty supply store. The one that I am applying is Miss Lash 157. So now it's time for foundation. I haven't shopped for a good foundation in a while, so I am using product that I already have left over. So this is a old foundation. I will link everything down in the description bar if you need to see it. This is the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Foundation in the shade Tan Golden. Then I'm going to apply my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer, and this is in the shade Warm Honey. The sponge that I'm using is by e.l.f. It is such a good dupe for the Beauty Blender with more than half the price. I highly recommend you get this. I got it from Target. Then I'm just going to set that with some setting powder just to make sure that it doesn't crease up. And I'm patting it rather than swiping it just to make sure that everything stays in place. I'm also going to go ahead and set the rest of my face. I am oil prone, so a matte foundation and a matte face will go a long way for me. Then I'm going to also take the Full Spectrum Foundation Powder, and I'm going to use the darker color as my bronzer. The color that I'm using to contour with is Deep Cool. The highlighter I'm going to be using is by Covergirl. This is the Covergirl True Blend Super Stunner Hyper Glow Highlighter, and this highlighter is in the shade Pearl Crush. Now I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, and I'm going to go ahead and spray and set my face. So I'm going to use that same Loreal mascara and hit up my lower lashes. I did notice in the promotion pictures that she did not have any color on her waterline. It was very simple, so I did not apply anything. I didn't apply a liner or any color, so I just left it bare. So now I'm going to take my Jordana lip liner in Coco Loco. I have never stepped away from this lip liner, have never gone to another lip liner. This is my favorite lip liner, and sadly I have not seen them in Walgreens, so I had to order them on Amazon. If you're interested in this lip liner, I'll list it down below. The lip color I'm going to go with is by Morphe, and this is the color Taunt. This is a matte liquid lipstick. Then I'm going to go in with a nice gloss because I feel like this look would look better with a glossy lip. And this is the finished look. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. It really helps and supports my channel. Also, if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button so you never miss a video from me. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.